The Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, according to multiple industry surveys, is America's favorite fast food. You will find a long line of customers waiting to order Chick-fil-A's Signature A's menu item wherever you go in the United States. Chick-fil-A is the third largest American restaurant chain by domestic sales, thanks in part to its famous chicken. Their company is still expanding rapidly. They've gained around 20% so far this year. So, how did this Atlanta-based private fast food chain become one of America's most popular eateries? Welcome to the Financial Flow. Please like and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up on our latest videos. The economics of Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A has a long distinct business strategy that it attributes to its success. Chick-fil-A Business A's has always been built on a recipe. Truett Cathy, a restaurateur, developed a faster way to cook boneless chicken using a pressure cooker and peanut oil after trying hundreds of methods. They've stated that it's a perfect recipe, so they've stored it in a vault and will continue to use it. There are recipe sites where you can try to make it, but it has never been officially released. The original chicken sandwich is still available today, just as it was in 1967. A breaded chicken breast and 2 pickles are served on a butter-toasted bun. Chick-fil-A has long been known for its dedication to selling high-quality food. Chick-fil-A is a play on the word chicken fillet, with a capital A at the end to denote superior quality. Chick-fil-A Business A's model has always been to maintain a small menu focused on chicken sandwiches, unlike other fast food chains that expand their menu offerings over time to attract new customers. They like to say it's straightforward, so they want customers to know what's on the menu so they can easily figure out what they want. They consider how they will serve their visitors. It is critical that they receive hot sandwiches, cold salads, and simply delicious products on a consistent basis. Customers appear to concur. Chick-fil-A has dominated the American Customer Satisfaction Index since its inception in 2015. Chick-fil-A frequently receives high marks. Even though the service in the drive-thru can be slower, people are very happy with the quality and the service they get in general. Many Chick-fil-A restaurants now use Upstream Ordering, which involves an association taking a customer's order while they're still in line. This started before the pandemic, but it became extremely important during the pandemic when they closed their dining rooms, effectively making the drive-thru the primary channel for sales. So, if you go to a Chick-fil-A now, you'll notice workers with tablets in the drive-thru in many locations. So instead of mumbling your order into a speaker box and risking it being misunderstood, you're telling this person right next to your car what you want. Chick-fil-A uses a different franchise model than most other food chains to ensure quality in every location. Chick-fil-A owns all of its locations, unlike most franchises, who cover the majority of the cost of opening a restaurant. The company also chooses the locations for the restaurants and constructs them. That, they believe, is a key differentiator in their business model. They're not looking for a financial backer or someone who wants to buy a large supermarket and open a chain of stores. Chick-fil-A stated in their website, franchising is not an opportunity for passive financial investment, working from the sidelines, or adding a portfolio of business ventures. Franchisees are called operators, and each operator is handpicked by Chick-fil-A after a rigorous interview process. Chick-fil-A likes to compare it to a Harvard MBA program. It could take anywhere between 12 and 24 months. So you must be serious about doing this and willing to go through the initial paperwork as well as extensive interviews. Chick-fil-A only hires about 130 new franchisees out of 8,000 applicants it receives each year. This is a lower acceptance rate than Stanford. Someone who is good at developing people is one of the skills they are looking for. Many of the stores employ over 100 people. They must be exceptional at bringing in and developing in teams and leadership groups. If chosen, Chick-fil-A franchisees only need to invest $10,000 to become an operator, which covers the franchise fee. This is significantly less than the $45,000 franchise fee, $1.3 to $2.3 million in additional investment required for a McDonald's franchise. It's difficult to have a market presence and get to know their team members and the communities we serve if they have 10 or 15 locations. They have a lot of interest in becoming operators, and they believe that model will be very important. It's what has brought them to this point. Chick-fil-A attributes its success to its hands-on approach, which sees each location make significantly more money than its competitors. Chick-fil-A Footprint A's was mostly in the Southeast for years, but it's now spread across the country. They operate approximately 2,600 restaurants across the country. They have locations in Canada and will soon open in Puerto Rico. They are currently opening about 100 stores per year and have significant growth potential, both domestically and internationally. Chick-fil-A has nearly doubled its restaurant count to 2,598 since 2007. That's still slow in comparison to many other chains. Chipotle, for example, is opening 200 restaurants per year. Chick-fil-A claims that its values are reflected in its day-to-day operations, regardless of where you eat. It is a very close-knit community. They're also invested in the company's values, which they claim are based on Judeo-Christian values. You don't have to be a Christian to work there, but they do take some of these basic values of humility and generosity seriously. And you're welcome to attend a prayer service while you're there. From its inception, founder Truett Cathy's Christian faith played a major role in the company's business strategy. It's why Chick-fil-A's are closed on Sundays, not only to allow employees to attend church, but also to allow them to rest. They believe they make up for the sales from Monday to Saturday, and that anticipation is why they're unable to get Chick-fil-A today. So they plan to go first thing Monday morning. It's also why the business has never gone public. They'll never ever go public, in my opinion, and there's no compelling reason for us to do so. They've grown in a conservative manner, so we don't need many investors or extra funds to open new stores or businesses. How employees are treated and how they are expected to treat customers reflect some of Cathy's values. Chick-fil-A has long asked employees to greet customers warmly and with a smile, though you won't see it in restaurants where employees are masked up. Even if it's only a brief interaction, a team member's smile with guests can reveal a lot. It's just a small thing they can do that makes a big difference. Chick-fil-A values A's have been questioned on occasion, particularly when the company's foundation donates to conservative groups or causes. Some groups have been labeled as anti-gay, which has drawn the attention of progressive organizations. Last year, the company's foundation concentrated its charitable efforts on 3 areas: homelessness, hunger, and education. They believe that the most important aspect of being in the restaurant business is that they can serve anyone. When you visit Chick-fil-A headquarters A's in Atlanta, there is a prominently displayed rock with a quote from Truett that says, "What Chick-fil-A corporate A's purpose is to glorify God by faithfully stewarding everything entrusted to us, to have a positive impact on everyone who interacts with Chick-fil-A." That, I believe, reflects the higher noble sense of corporate self. They consider themselves to be more than just a chicken sandwich shop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Have a good one.